A clean nation is the culmination of many people's efforts. Those that put their lives at risk to provide us with a clean environment to live in are the most essential among them. Scavengers in manholes. In India, manhole scavenging was outlawed in 1993. Across the country, approximately 700,000 scavenger laborers are still cleaning our gutters. A manual scavenger dies every 5 days as a result of the disease. JNU Technologies Private Limited, specifically designed according to your needs and to serve any work atmosphere and specifications irrespective of the type of sludge and its viscosity, like crude oil, tar, naphtha, grease, furnace oil, wax, and chemical slurries. JNU Tech invented a robotic system for manhole, sewer line cleaning, oily sludge lagoons, ETP tanks, cooling, tower basins, forebay, channels, ponds, and other applications, with the goal of completely eliminating manhole scavenges. These robots are modular, unbreakable, and adaptable with extra arms such as a cutter, suction hood, and so on, allowing them to do more work in less time while posing no danger to humans. These robots have the ability to work indefinitely and with greater precision, possess the ability to perform routine duties. Viruses and illnesses are not a problem. Time and money saved on upkeep. Avoid collisions. The list could continue indefinitely. Is dedicated to making the world a better place to live and work by providing 24-hour after-sales assistance and comprehensive